And let's also get you all the details. So the Prime Minister's visit in Varanasi, it's day 2 of his visit in Varanasi. And on your screens are the images that have come from, in fact, the meeting that the Prime Minister is in currently. He's meeting with all the chief ministers and deputy chief ministers from BJP-ruled states. This is a meeting that will go on for about 4 hours. There's going to be a discussion on governance. Now, Prime Minister Modi is meeting, in fact, with about 12 chief ministers and 9 deputy CMs. You see BJP President JP Nadda also present for this meeting. And the topic of discussion is very clearly good governance. The Prime Minister is expected to pass on tips and advice on boosting development, on ensuring the fight against COVID goes on the right track, and also on the vaccination drive. And this meeting we're expecting will continue for the next 4 hours. The chief ministers will be giving state-wise presentations during the meeting, and after this the Prime Minister will be making a visit to the Swarved Mahamandir Dham, and that is known as the Temple of Spirituality. It has the world's largest meditation center, so that's also on the schedule for the Prime Minister. This meeting is very, very crucial because there is going to be a renewed focus also on Uttar Pradesh. Samar Srivastava is joining us live from Varanasi with the latest on the story. Samar, the meeting between the chief ministers of BJP-ruled states and Prime Minister Modi is underway. What's on the agenda? We understand this is like a seminar where the chief ministers will be giving presentations on their states, on their achievements, etc.
Well, obviously it's like a seminar, and where I'm reporting from, it is the BLW guest house. Inside this guest house, the meeting is taking place between the Prime Minister of India and the 12 CMs of BJP from different states, from Haryana, from Karnataka, from Gujarat, from Uttarakhand. This is the place where meeting is taking place, and as you can see, the security has already been beefed up around here, and this is the administrative office, and inside this particular place the meeting is taking place. In the meeting there is BJP's JP Nadda is inside, UP CM Yogi Adityanath is inside, and other 12 CMs from different states of country are there, and it will not just end there. The meeting will continue till 2:50 p.m. today. Thereafter, Prime Minister will have a public address. He'll inaugurate a temple, and then he'll be returning to Delhi in the evening. So that's a 2-day tour in Varanasi for Prime Minister of India, and all these CMs who are attending the meeting inside will go to the temple town Ayodhya and will take blessings of Lord Rama tomorrow. The chief ministers of different states have come with their families. So these are the things happening in Varanasi. And earlier, as you know, Prime Minister inspected the entire city. He went on to the roads late night around 1 a.m. He visited the railway station, and now he is conducting the meetings. Though in the Ghat yesterday evening, Prime Minister met all these CMs who are inside the meeting. But today it's like they have to present what they have done in the Garib Kalyan Yojana in their particular states. They have to present whatever they have done in their states in the time so far since the launch of the Garib Kalyan Yojana, and that's what the meeting, one of the agendas of the meeting is that. So that's why Prime Minister has invited all the CMs from different states, from different BJP-ruled states, and that's what is happening inside. JP Nadda is also there. There could be a strategy for the upcoming elections in the particular states. Yes.
All right, Samar, thank you for those details.